Good morning, YouTubers. Out here at Hollywood Beach, going for a stroll along the water. Ought to be a great sunrise this morning. Today's episode will be beach walks and hiking trails. Continuing along the dune trail, there are little interpretive signs that tell you the names of some of the trees here. Again, the strangler fig, which has occupied the host tree here. Everyone, out here at the Cold Nature Center, gonna go for a nature hike. Stopped by the visitor center and picked up a map, which I will show you. There are several trails here that look exceptionally nice. There's a lookout tower we can go and visit, get a 360-degree view. I'm looking forward to that. So here we go on our little nature adventure. Umbrella out here today. It's slightly misting. Still not going to stop me from enjoying nature and being outside, going for a walk here at the Cold Nature Center. I have to say it's beautiful here. The hardwood plants, the mangroves, and the wildlife. So there's a beautiful paved trail here that leads out to the water's edge for a lookout. Take this trail. Necklace pod. When it's flowering, it forms long bead-like strands, and they are fuzzy, and the butterflies and hummingbirds love these plants. Here over at the observation tower, stairs only to get to the top as the elevator is closed. This view is looking northeast. Out along the horizon is the Atlantic Ocean, Port Everglades Inlet, and a bit of the Intracoastal Waterway there. Fort Lauderdale to the right, Hollywood to the left. Here's a map of the paddling trails. Red trail, blue trail, 1.5 miles. A white trail, 1.4 miles, which is over near the marina. There's also a green trail, and describes some of the birds that one can see here. black vulture, turkey vulture, of course raccoons, they're everywhere. The frigates, a wood stork, and the roseate spoonbill, among others. Give you a view of the mangrove forest here, which is very dense. They can be found in tropical and subtropical regions. These plants are so well adapted to live in salt water. This trail leads to the fishing pier, which is the only area in the nature center where fishing is allowed. Hi everybody, so we're out here at Secret Woods Nature Center. We're going to go for a short hike. The trail's about 1.25 miles. It's very cool and shaded inside. It's really quite nice for a county nature area. So here we go. So this is an example of the white mangrove. The bark's very different from the red mangrove. The leaves are different. They don't send down those roots into the wet soil the way the red mangroves do. Following along the boardwalk trail here. It's very heavy canopy, a lot of strangler figs, and we've seen the white mangroves, lots of saw palmettos. It's real pretty. It's not exactly a quiet hike though because it's so close to the road. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. We're at the end of our tour here in the Secret Woods Nature Center. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. And until the next episode, peace and love.